Hi everyone, I'm Dylan, and today I want to show you how easy it is to create your own logo in GoDaddy Studio and give you a few ideas to think about when designing the foundational visual design that will represent your brand out in the world. Because making logos is something you can do very easily and intuitively in Studio, I'd suggest you jump right in and start experimenting with combinations of graphics and fonts. No design experience is necessary, so trust your instincts. After all, you have to be the first person to really love your logo design. Hundreds of professionally designed logo templates make this ridiculously simple. In fact, every single logo I'm showing you in this video is taken directly from the template feed. You can just scroll around until you find something in the right ballpark, open it up, and then customize the text and the colors very easily. You can still change anything you want, but if it's the design style that attracted you to this template, then you'll find it useful that tapping replace on any graphic will take you to the same collection, so you can use something more suited to your brand, but in the same style. The other option is to start from a blank canvas and then just play around with ideas more spontaneously. Start by expressing your business's name with the perfect font. You can either search the font library for something specific, scroll around, or perhaps start with our logo type collection. You might then want to pair this with another font for a second or third line of text. You can also mix up different fonts in the same word if you're feeling adventurous. Remember, you can customize text further in the Style tab, modifying things like spacing, caps, and curvature. Now, that might be it for you if you're going the more minimalist route. Text-only logos are very common. You could even just use your brand name's initials. Search for monogram in the templates feed or for letters in the graphic library for some unique ideas. But if you're looking for a signature graphic for your logo, then let's dive into the graphics library and start exploring. A few suggestions on how to navigate the tens of thousands of graphics available with a subscription. And by the way, there are also hundreds of logo graphics in the free version of the app too, so you can try that out right now. Right, so an obvious starting point would be to search for logo and see some graphics designed specifically for logos. Searching icons can be useful too for simplified graphics used commonly in logo designs. Beyond this, try searching for terms related to your industry, like cooking, surfing, yoga, real estate, or your style, bohemian, organic, futuristic. Your choice of graphic might be literal, say a dog for a dog walking business, vegetables for an organic cafe, or a coffee pot for a coffee shop. It could also be lateral, a tree alluding to growth, simple shapes implying movement, or a graphic rendition of waves suggesting an association with the ocean. Or it could be purely abstract, a shape, a symbol, or a squiggle that just feels like the right visual expression for your brand. One final flourish you might consider is a shape to act as a boundary for your logo. Or search for frames in graphics if you like the idea of an encased logo design. The rest is up to you to fine-tune the size and position on your canvas, which you can do just by pinching and dragging elements which exist as different layers in your design. I'd suggest starting with a design that reads well in black and white, and then if you want, you can play around with color combinations from your brand's palette. The color palette tool lets you simply tap to find different combos that work. Watch out for our next video where I'll explain how to export, save, and apply your logo in all the content you create. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.